In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from HostGator to AWS Route 53 seamlessly. Whether you're taking the first step in optimizing your domain management or looking to leverage Amazon's robust infrastructure, this guide will walk you through each stage patiently and clearly. Let's get started by logging into your HostGator account. If you're unsure of the website or need help finding it, remember you can always access it through your web browser by typing in HostGator's URL. Once you're logged in, head over to your domain section. Here, you're going to need to unlock your domain. This is an essential step, as domains are often locked to prevent unauthorized transfers. Unlocking your domain ensures that you have full control and can move it as required. After your domain is unlocked, your next task is to obtain the EPP, or authorization code, from HostGator. This unique code is paramount because it acts as a password between registrar accounts, ensuring the security of your domain during the transfer process. You may find it under the transfer settings of your domain management area. Make sure to jot down or save this code securely, as you'll need it shortly. Next, let's turn our attention to AWS Route 53. Log into your AWS account and navigate to the Route 53 service. This is where you'll initiate your domain transfer. Once there, locate the option to transfer a domain into AWS. When prompted, enter your domain name precisely as it appears in your HostGator account. It's vital to ensure there are no typos, as this information has to match exactly. Upon entering your domain name, you'll reach a point in the process where you're required to provide the EPP code you retrieved earlier. This is where having it saved comes in handy. Enter the code carefully and double check for any inconsistencies. A correct EPP code is crucial for the initiation of your transfer request. Following this, watch your email inbox for a confirmation email. This email serves to verify that you intend to transfer your domain and aren't being compromised by any unauthorized actions. Within this email, you'll see instructions on how to confirm the transfer. Make sure you follow these instructions to the letter to avoid any delays. Once confirmed, it's time to play the waiting game. Domain transfers can take up to 7 days to complete, primarily due to various registrar processes and checks that are conducted to ensure security. Although patience is key, you might find that the transfer completes more quickly than anticipated. Finally, when the transfer is complete, you'll receive a notification from AWS Route 53. At this point, congratulations are in order. You can now manage your domain through AWS Route 53, enjoying the expanded features and scalability offered by Amazon's infrastructure. Feel free to explore the various settings and features AWS has to offer to make the most out of your new domain home. And there you have it, transferring your domain from HostGator to AWS